making an 18
Weekend! What the fuck, Martin?
It's the fucking Catalina wine mixer.
What the fuck? I'm going to get fucking soda. This is fucking bullshit. Jesus fuck.
Martin,
Kate is gonna fucking castrate me.
he's mad. What are you gonna do?
I got this.
Yeah, you got an idea.
Yeah, I got an idea.
Where are they? Where? Guys? What the fuck? What the fuck? We have to clean this shit up and you're shotgunning fucking beers?
Yes, I got an idea.
Oh yeah, you got an idea.
I got an idea.
I got soda, we're gonna apply that.
Jesus, man. What are you gonna do? Like, that's a bad stain. Martin says he has some idea, but I don't know what
What the fuck? What the fuck am I gonna do, man? This is ridiculous.
It'll work. I promise. I've done it. I used to
great idea.
I did carpentry my whole fucking life. I'm a carpenter.
fucking out of here.
Fucking.
Oh man, what are you gonna do? Yeah. Just throw the whole thing in. Just throw the whole thing in. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good. There you go. Done deal. All right.
All right, Martin, I got the stuff. How the fuck did what?
I washed it.
That's what? Kate's home. I'm fucked.